Hi there, John Bow here. I'm out at Gray's, my weekly visit, and I came across this very unusual car. It's a VK Calais. It's all factory tagged with the right numbers for a VK Calais, but it's got this 308 turbocharged monster of an engine in it, which I'm sure goes like a scalded rabbit. I haven't actually driven it, but it must go fast because it's got all the gear. It's got blow-off valves and all sorts of stuff. It's also got HDT wheels, which are beautiful wheels, and it looks fantastic. Really, really impressive looking car. It's a beautiful paint. Got the cow hood all incorporated in it. So whilst it's not sort of the things that I love, I know a lot of people out there do love these things because I go to Summer Nats and Motor X and all those sort of shows, and there's lots of lovers of modified cars. So have a look, jump on Gray's Classic website, and yeah, it's a monster. I've just found out a bit more about this engine. This is actually, it looks like a carburetor. Wow, I nearly killed myself there. But it's Holley Sniper EFI. It's got external wastegate, Gilmer drive, intercooler. It's been very well done. I don't know what sort of kilowatts or horsepower it makes, but I bet it's a lot. And it's all been heat protected, so it's a really well done, well executed, you call it a street rod or something, I guess, but it's nice. We're going to take just a little drive down the road, not silly, just to see how it drives now.
So it's a really nice period steering wheel. Got a great sound system, got all these gizmos here that I'm not quite sure what they do, but impressive. Great big tacho over here with shift light. I wouldn't be game to really max it out here around the road like this, because it's an industrial estate and it's got so much grunt and we could end up on a tree somewhere. The more I drive this car, the more impressed I am. It's certainly not my thing, but man, it's well done. Really well executed, and it's fast. Go straight to Calder Park drag strip for the street drags. This is quite an impressive car. I was a bit dubious of it to start with because I'm not a street racer, but it's been really well done. It's a genuine Calais with a 308 engine, and it's got all this performance stuff on it, turbocharged, intercoolers, blow-off valves, and it's this little jigger here runs the Sniper EFI, so it's had a lot of money spent on it, and it looks great. So have a look at Gray's website. It will be going live shortly.
So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.